Something big is coming to CARSTAR Midland. We're building a brand new, state-of-the-art collision repair facility designed from the ground up with the latest equipment, modern repair planning, and a workflow that actually makes sense. This isn't just another shop. It's a better way to work. And now we're hiring. We're looking for licensed auto body technicians who want to work in a clean, efficient environment where their time and skills are respected. And if you're new to the trade, we're also hiring apprentices, people who want to learn, grow, and build a real career in this industry. We offer top pay, signing bonuses for experienced techs, and the opportunity to be part of something new from day one. If you're ready for a change, or ready to start your future, join us at CARSTAR Midland. Reach out today. We're hiring now.